Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Crunchway's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. I'm making some pineapple ginger mint juice. Absolutely delicious. Everybody loves it. I have to actually say it is a crowd pleaser. And around this time of the year when the pollen is coming and we are all dealing with, problems with our sinuses, colds, allergies, this is perfect for you. Pineapple is full of vitamin C. The skin, which I'm going to boil and use the juices from it, is full of antioxidants. Some lemon in here. Ginger, perfect for your sinuses as well. This drink is something that you truly have to try. Come along and let's do this. So my pineapple is cleaned. These are mints from my garden, freshly picked, already washed. Pineapple and lemon need to be washed. So let's come ahead and wash it here. So because I'm going to be cooking the skin of my pineapple, you want to make sure that it is thoroughly washed. I have here some baking soda. I'm going to pour that over my pineapple and lemon, and I'm going to scrub it clean before we go ahead. So just let it soak a little bit. You want to make sure that you're getting all chemicals from your lemon and your pineapple. All right, I allowed it to just soak a little bit. Now I'm just going to scrub them clean. All right, and the pineapple, you definitely want to give it a good scrub because the lemon, we're just going to squeeze it. This, you're going to boil it. So you want to make sure that it is clean, clean, clean. All right, give it a good rinse. And there. I'm going to peel my pineapple. Get the skins off first. And it doesn't matter that I'm cutting a lot of the flesh off because remember, I'm going to boil this and get the juice of it. So I'm still not really wasting it. To transfer my pineapple skins into a cooking pot. Now I'm going to fill it with water. Just enough to cover the skins, not too much. And now we're gonna cook it. So now we're gonna chop our pineapple. This is very ripe pineapple from the look of it. Just gonna cut it up. I'm not removing the core. My blender can take care of that. If you happen to have a blender that is not as powerful, you might want to remove the core. And probably boil it with the skin. That is also a good way to do it. All right. I'll transfer everything into my blender. All right, I'm going to cut up my ginger roots now. And you want to cut across just so you shorten the strength. I love mint, so I throw in quite a bit. If you happen not to like mint, then don't add it, or just add a little bit. So I have a little of water here. I'm going to pour some in here just to blend. About half of it. All right, now we're gonna blend it. So using a very fine strainer, we're gonna strain. Yeah, you just want to make sure that you get the most of your ingredients out. I already transferred some into a bowl. The first part I strained, I already have it here. I'm just going to pour this in here as well. And now this, I'm just going to let it wait until the skin, the water from the pineapple skin, I'm just going to use that to give this a thorough rinse. So we get all of our ingredients, the best of it, in our juice. Our skin has been boiling for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to turn the flame off now and allow it to cool off. Water has cooled for a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it over the residue of my pineapple and ginger. And that is going to help get more juices out of the pulp before we discard. I think it is safe to say now that we have our money's worth. This is all that is left. We can happily discard that. So I'm just going to combine. And just like that, we have a bowl of goodness. So I'm going to cut my lemons in half. And now I'm going to juice them. Only these lemons I don't throw away, I just save them. Boil with some more herbs for potpourri, freshen up my house. Okay, that was the workout. All right, so I have half a cup of sugar here. I'm going to add that. Definitely put sugar according to how you want it. So now we're going to transfer our juice into our pitcher. It smells so good. That is if you like mint. And like I said, if you don't like mint, you can really just skip that part. Okay. Juice is all done. I'm just going to let it chill and then we can enjoy it. You can definitely enjoy it room temperature or warm as well. Cheers. This is very refreshing. You definitely taste the ginger. It is not overly sweet, and the aroma that the mint adds in here, the lemon, you pretty much taste all the ingredients. Definitely the pineapple as well. I hope you give this a try. You will love it. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.